Mr. Terseer Ugbo, representing Kwande-Ushongo Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, says the 10th National Assembly will strive to address environmental and flood disasters in the country. Ugbo said this on the sideline of the 3rd National Stakeholders Seminar tagged Building National Cohesion Through Environmental Safety in Abuja. The event was organized by the Environment and Safety Management Institute. Ugbo, who is also the Deputy Committee Chairman on Environment, said it was important to create a conducive environment for citizens to tap the full benefits of the natural and social investments in the country.
The 10th House of Representatives is quite interested and passionate about the issues to do with environment. Just in the first few days of our plenary since we were inaugurated, we've had a whole lot of motions and requests for environmental issues, as has to do with environmental pollution in the country, as has to do with the flooding that has been a recurrent issue in Nigeria over the last few years, and the flooding that we are anticipating that may happen this year again. We've had issues, motions on the issues of erosion control, especially in the southeastern part of the country. We've had motions on deforestation and environmental degradation since we resumed the House. So there's a whole lot of work waiting to be done by the 10th House of Representatives for the environmental sector. We intend to take on this issue squarely, and we intend to be very focused on to make sure that the environmental sector gets the deserved attention that it deserves.
Also, Governor Abdullahi Saleh of Nasarawa State, represented by Mr. Kwande-Ushongo, said that the human environment was affected by factors that may be natural, artificial, social, biological, or psychological.
As Nigerians, we should seek what unites us and what divides us, just like what makes us happy when we are together. We must learn to be together in tackling environmental challenges. As I am aware, the Environment and Safety Management Institute started environment and safety volunteers and other projects that will encourage and engage Nigeria in ensuring the safety of Nigeria and Nigerians. I salute their courage and thank them to continue with it. I'm pledging our continued support to the Institute as worthy partners in environmental safety intervention in Nasarawa State and beyond.
People are usually regulated by government. So there has to be laws, appropriate laws in place to guide people's activities as regards environment. So we're here to talk to government, to also educate the people, to understand the need that the laws that would have been put in place or that we're going to put in place are adhered to, so that there will be benefits to them first of all, then to their communities and the nation in general.
For his part, Mr. Martin Ayosamba, National President ESME, said it was important for Nigerians to have a national cohesion on how to tackle the issues around environmental safety.
The challenges now are overwhelming. Globally, you talk about the issues of climate change. Even though we may not be contributing much to it, but the effects are so much on us. The issues of flooding are there. The issues of desertification are there, the issues of erosion are there. So it's not only about climate change, but generally our environment is no longer what it was before. All of you will agree that at least when you were coming up young and now, there has been a deviation from what used to be and what it is now. This is the best time that Nigerians can talk about the issues of environmental safety.